welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this look. If you guys like this short look, make sure you guys go ahead and keep on watching. Comment down below, what do you guys think about these curls, because I am so obsessed with these curls. I don't even want to pluck them out because I just kind of felt like I just wanted that fresh type of look. So I was kind of scared and I was like, I don't really know exactly how this blonde is gonna look. If you guys get what I mean. You know how you get a different color and you like, I don't know about this color. That's just something that I was going for. I was like, I don't know about this color, but I'm actually loving the blonde. Like, if you're going for like that blonde look, go for it, because this blonde will change your whole life. Like, I love this blonde, especially with some curls in there, or if it's like straightened. I love it. I don't want to go in and spike it up or do anything to it. I think I'm gonna leave it like this, and that's just about it. Let me know what you guys thought about this video, and let me know what you guys thought about this hair, because I want to know from you guys. Let me know if you like it or not. If you don't, like, if you don't, okay, it's cool. But me personally, I love this look. Like, I cannot knock this enough. For all the beautiful short hair girls, you guys know what I mean about if you're not feeling it, and then when you put some makeup on, yeah, that's just us. Because I know me, I'm the type of girl that I really want my hair cut, but someone's telling me to just keep on wearing these short haircuts. But I'll see you guys in another video. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye. kind of feel like I've been just reading my Bible and just reading a lot of books and just getting to know me. And it feels so good to just not have a relationship with anybody but God. It feels so good to just sit here, read my books, have my coffee, and, you know, be a single mom. Like, it feels really good to do that. You know, you don't always need to have a man. And it's just something that, you know, it's just something that I'm loving. To just get to know myself. Like, let me take myself out to eat. Let's just do this and do that by myself or with the kids, or, you know, something like that. And that's just something that I love. Like, you don't want to have anybody on your shoulder like who's in your phone or who is this and who is that. Like, the good thing is, like, you can pay for your own food without him saying, hey, are you gonna pay for mine for next dinner when we go out to eat next time? Like, stuff like that. I'm happy to be in a quiet, calm, you know, relationship with myself. Using this little bitty piece when we're done. And I'm kind of excited because I'm kind of excited because we're done. We made it at the top. So I'm just gonna plop this on there. So I'm gonna go in and use my razor, and this is something that I like to use when I'm doing my hair. So I'm going to be going in with my wand curls, and I'm going to just curl a little bit of my hair because I want it to be like cute. Hopefully this turn out right, because you know how that is when you're trying to do something you think that it's going to get done and it don't turn out right. Hopefully this is going to turn out right. look, and I love this look so much. I kind of thought that, you know, it wasn't gonna turn out right, but I guess, you know, I like it. I like it, okay? It's like when I put on my makeup and everything, girls, you all know, once you put on your makeup, you kind of get the hang of it and you kind of like your hair. That's just something that I was going for. So I got my makeup on and now I'm done with the look. And I hope I don't see any black cap, you know, around or anything. If you guys like it, make sure you guys comment down below. I'll have everything down at the bottom of the video, and I'll talk to you guys next time.